Dear students and respected teachers, welcome to today's English class. Today we have a very interesting topic, that is a travel experience. Do you like traveling? Yes, of course, isn't it? If you ask me, my answer is also yes. I like traveling a lot. So I have traveled many famous places of Nepal. Can you name some famous places of Nepal? What are that? Yes, the famous places of Nepal, when we name, of course, Pokhara, Lumbini, Chitwan National Park, Ilam, isn't it? These are the famous places. And if we look for historically, religiously important places, then we can say Kathmandu Valley as well, like Bhaktapur Darbar Square, Kathmandu Darbar Square, Patan Darbar Square, Pasupatinath, Bodhanath, right? So these are the famous places of Nepal. And I have been to almost all those places. Many of you also might have been to those places, haven't you? Of course, you might have been, and some of you are still longing to visit those places. Regarding travel experience, among them, I would like to share one of the experience, my travel experience. It was last year. I went with grade 10, students of grade 10, to Chitwan National Park, and it was a wonderful wonderful tour. Actually, it was educational excursion. So it was a wonderful tour, and we went there by bus, as it is not so far. Chitwan National Park is not so far from here. We went there by bus and made a lot of studies about plants and animals over there. So that was our objective of our visit. And as well as we had a lots of fun over there, because there are plenty of activities we can do there, like elephant ride, boatings, jungle safari. So these are the experiences we had. And then after those experiences, whole day visiting and traveling, going through the jungle, and then we came back to the hotel, and we observed Tharu dance, which was really marvelous. And then we enjoyed Thakali food as well. That was really delicious, tasty food. And yeah, these are the experiences I had regarding Chitwan National Park, visit in Chitwan National Park. So today we are going to learn how to write this experience in the written form, maybe in essay form, let's say essay form. So it's a kind of type of reflective essay. So how to write it, this kind of essay. So we are going to learn it. First of all, this is from your own lesson book, that is from unit 9, a travel experience. You can turn over page number 105. I'll show you in slides as well. You have this diagram. This is a spiral diagram, and it gives skeleton of how to write travel experience. It stepwise: introduction, body paragraphs, and conclusion. First of all, what do you need to do? You have to select a topic. Let's say place where you have visited. My travel experience to where, which place, okay, which place you have visited. So select that topic first, and then what you can do, you can write introduction. In introduction, what things are to be included? The things that need to be included in introduction paragraphs are the answers of WH questions. See, what, who, where, when, how, why. What type of tour it was, visit it was, whether it was a family tour, whether it was a tour with your friends, just a visit with your friends, or it was an educational tour, excursion, what was it, who were with you, your friends, family, teachers, who were with you when you went there, where did you go, which place, name of the place, and then when. You can mention year, or you can time of the year, when did you go there, you have to mention that. And how did you go there, by bus or by flight, how did you reach over there, and why did you go there. Why means, that means objective of your visit. What target did you set before you visit over there in the particular place. So this is how we can write our introductory paragraph. And then let's move to body paragraph. Body paragraphs, here it is divided into two body paragraphs. First body paragraph first. In this paragraph, in this body paragraph 1, we include detailed description of important things. What are the important things over there? What is found there? Suppose if you talk about Bhaktapur, what are the important things you find here? Maybe special cord and Nepali topi. Yes, these are the things we can specially find in Bhaktapur. Popular things, these are the popular things, or popular places present there, unusual things, different than in other places. So including all those description, you have to write first body paragraph. And let me tell you, this first body paragraph is elaborated form of introductory paragraph. Body paragraphs both, not only first and first, but also second body paragraph, both body paragraphs are elaborated form, extended form of introductory paragraph. In introductory paragraph, we quickly give the information, and those informations are described in body paragraphs. So let's move to second body paragraph. In second body paragraph, we include activities. What sorts of activities you did there? As I told you, in my visit to Chitwan National Park, I did elephant riding, boating, okay. These are the activities. And your observation, what did you observe over there? Describe those things. Like I said, I went through the jungle safari, and then I saw some different wildlife, different kind of plants, vegetations, right? Vegetations. So describe those things in your second body paragraph. And as well as you have to mention there about the people, what kind of people you met over there. Like I mentioned, Tharu people. What kind of people you met there, and what sorts of culture they follow. Is it similar to yours or different than yours? And nature, what type of nature is there? Is it naturally rich place, or historically important, or it has got religious importance? What sorts of importance is there? and the weather of the place, whether it is tropical, right, or just simply you can add whether it is warm or cold, what kind of uh, temperature or weather is there, you have to mention in this body paragraph. You can mention those things. So after writing those things, you can simply write another small paragraph, that is conclusion. In conclusion, you can mention about one of the memorable experience, unforgettable, what you cannot forget from that journey, unforgettable moment, and what sorts of ideas and lesson you have learned through that journey. You can mention it in the conclusion paragraph. So this is the way to write your travel experience, and this is also mentioned in your book, right? Here I have brought one example. Okay, this format we can take as a draft. Okay, draft making. If you make draft beforehand, this is a skeleton. You can fill up flesh later on, right? When we develop it into paragraph, that will be the whole body. Then that will be the whole body. This is the skeleton. You can prepare draft before you write essay. It will help you a lot to write essay. So what can we mention in introduction paragraph? Educational excursion. Answer of what? Educational excursion. Students of grade 10, with whom you go? Students of grade 10. Where? Chitwan National Park. When? Answer of when? Last year. How? By bus. And the objective. Why? Objective of the visit was to study about flora and fauna. So this is the answer of all WH questions. And in the body paragraph, see, first body paragraph, a place of natural beauty full of flora and fauna, a popular tourist destination, all kind of facilities available. Like in the previous slide, detailed description of important things and popular things, unusual things present there. So these are the description. Before describe, these points will be described in the paragraph, in the first body paragraph. Second body paragraph now. Second body paragraph, what to write in the second body paragraph? Activities and observation, right? Activities and observation. So we had lots of fun and studied different plants and animals. Viewed natural beauty through jungle safari, observed Tharu dance, enjoyed Thakali food, and really had a wonderful time in a warm weather. What kind of weather? Warm weather. So this is how you can write your second body paragraph. And then third one is last is conclusion, fourth, right? Fourth paragraph. So one of the memorable experience was elephant ride and close observation of wildlife. So we can go very near to the wildlife over there. That's why we can conclude that nature is an incredible entity. One can expand mental horizon through nature study. So nature study is very important. So you can write about any other topic. My topic is my travel experience to Chitwan National Park. You can choose any other place, any other topic. You can write about maybe place of historical importance, place of religious importance, or maybe of same kind of topic. You can choose the place which is naturally important. You can even choose naturally important place. So this is what skeleton that I have showed you. Shall we develop it into paragraphs now? Are you ready for that? Okay, let's develop it into paragraph. Let me write on the board. Let's begin from title. Title is My Travel Experience to, okay, let's write here, to Chitwan National Park. This is the topic. Let's begin with introduction. But when you write, you don't need to write introduction, topic. Topic you don't need to write. तपाईहरुले लेख्दाखेरि introduction भनेर लेखिराख्नु पर्दैन, directly start गर्दा हुन्छ. Like, okay, as I call myself a travel bug, I do not miss any chance of visiting new places. Let me finish it all for one paragraph, then I'll explain it to you. Places. We students of grade 10. I have written this this essay from the point of view of grade 10 students. Grade 10, being grade 10 student. 10 were taken to Chitwan National Park last year for an educational excursion. Though we went there by bus, we were not much tired. Instead, we were more enthusiastic to fulfill our objective of the visit. Actually, our main target of the tour was to make a detailed study about flora and fauna found over there. Okay, so this is the description of the skeleton we have prepared. Look at this slide. Introductory paragraph. Educational excursion, students of grade 10, Chitwan National Park last year by bus to study about flora and fauna. Okay. Now look at on the board. As I call myself a travel bug. Travel bug means a person who likes to travel a lot. Travel a lot. I do not miss any chance of visiting new places. So I like traveling a lot. That's why I do not miss any chances. We students of grade 10, yes, we can underline it. Students of grade 10. What is the question for it? Who? With whom you went? Were taken to Chitwan. Where? Chitwan National Park. Last year. When? Answers of when? Last year. For an educational excursion. Educational excursion. What? What was it? Educational excursion. Though we went there by bus. How did you go there? By bus. We were not much tired. Instead, we were more enthusiastic, more curious to learn the new thing. To fulfill our objective of the visit. Objective. So here it is why. Answers are why. Actually, it is main, right? Main. Actually, our main target of the tour was to make a detailed study about flora and fauna. This is the main objective of our study. So in this way, you can write your introductory paragraph. Is it okay? Shall we move to next? Can we do that? Okay, let's move to first body paragraph. Okay. Let me wipe all sentences. Okay. Body paragraph. First body paragraph. As I already told you, you don't need to write titles like this. Chitwan National Park is a naturally stunning place with many species of plants and animals. We can observe nearly 600 species of birds and more than 700 types of wildlife. Elephant breeding center is the central attraction of this national park. We can also have a very close look at crocodiles and gators, alligators. Rhinos and tigers are the major charm of the place. That is the region, many tourists are fascinated to this place. Place in order to complete their researches on nature study. Besides, tourists are also gratified with the facilities available here. Good hotels, warm hospitality and honest nature of locals oblige tourists to come back to this place. Okay, so this is first body paragraph. Look at the slide. Do you remember what are the things to include? So, a place of natural beauty, full of flora and fauna, a popular tourist destination, all kinds of facilities available. So, while changing it to the paragraph, what is there? Chitwan National Park is a naturally stunning place with many species of plants and animals, flora and fauna. We can observe nearly 600 species of birds and more than 700 types of wildlife. Elephant breeding center is the central attraction of this national park. So you can, if you go to national park, you can see elephant breeding center where elephants are reared. We can also have a very close look at crocodiles and alligators. Rhinos and tigers are major charm of the place. You can see all those wild animals, charm of the place. That is the region many tourists are fascinated, attracted. They would like to come to this place in order to complete their researches on nature study. Besides, tourists are also gratified with the facilities available here. What are the facilities? Good hotels, warm hospitality. Hospitality means the way people welcome there, the way people treat to the tourist, hospitality, and honest nature of locals. Oblige means compel tourists to come back to this place. So this is the description of first body paragraph. Now let's quickly move to the second body paragraph. I'm going to rub this. Let's quickly move to the second body paragraph. Body paragraph 2. Here, okay, let's start. Being domestic tourists, we had an endless fun over there. Green surroundings with countless number of vegetation not only provided knowledge but also made us peaceful. The song of colorful birds with melodious sounds cherished our mood and different wildlife thrilled us. We could only absorb all those interesting particulars through jungle safari. After returning to the hotel with fatigue body of whole day travel, a delightful Tharu dance re-energized our body. At night, appetizing thakali food extinguish our hunger as a whole. It was a really fabulous expedition. Expedition means also excursion. a tour to such a warm and charming place. So, this is your second body paragraph. Let's read once. First of all, look at slide. Body paragraph 2. Had lots of fun, studied different plants and animals, viewed natural beauty through jungle safari, observed Tharu dance, enjoyed Thakali foods, really had a wonderful time in a warm weather. So while changing it into paragraph, being domestic tourist, we had an endless fun over there. It was really fun over there. Green surroundings with countless number of vegetation, many plants, types of plants, not only provided knowledge but also made us peaceful. The surrounding was really peaceful. The song of colorful birds with melodious sounds cherished our mood, and different wildlife thrilled us. We could only observe all those interesting particulars through jungle safari. After returning to the hotel with fatigue, tired body of whole day of travel, a delightful Tharu dance re-energized our body at night. Appetizing Thakali food extinguished our hunger. As a whole, it was a really fabulous expedition to such a warm and charming place. So, only one paragraph is left, last paragraph, that is conclusion. Let's quickly do conclusive paragraphs. Let's rub this. Okay, conclusion. Among many splendid experiences, the most remarkable part of this excursion was elephant ride. It was a novel means new, and marvelous, wonderful, marvelous experience to be on a huge body of an animal and go through the jungle with the feeling of being superior creature, making a close observation at the organisms found there. The study has given us an ample practical knowledge and a new zeal to our life. Okay, one more last line is left. That is, therefore, that is, this is conclusive words for the conclusion. Therefore, we can say that nature is an incredible entity. One can expand mental horizon through nature study. Okay, this is the conclusive paragraph. Let's quickly go through it. Among many splendid experiences, nice experiences, the most remarkable part of this excursion was elephant ride. The most memorable one was elephant ride. It was a novel, new and marvelous, wonderful experience to be on a huge body of an animal and go through the jungle with the feeling of being superior creature, making a close observation at the organisms, plants and animals found there. The study has given us an ample mean sufficient practical knowledge and a new zeal to our life. Therefore, we can say that nature is an incredible entity beyond our imaginations, right? Incredible. One can expand mental horizon through nature study. So this is how you can write about essay or your travel experience into essay. So it is not necessary that you write in the same topic. मैले लेखेकै टपिकमा लेख्नुपर्छ भन्ने छैन. You select some more topic. There is writing in your lesson, right? See there, time for writing. Write a travel experience including interesting information and exciting experience. You may use the above information. Above information means the spider diagram that we have made earlier. Use that diagram, make a draft as I told you to make. That will make you so easy to write your experience, and then write your journey account the way I expressed myself. And one more follow-up activity is there. Share your writing on travel experience with your friends and collect feedback on it. Revise and edit your writing and make a final copy of it. After writing, you exchange your writing with your friends. You can even show it to your teacher. Dear teacher, if you are there, please help your children, help the students to revise and recheck to make a final copy of it. And there's a last work, that is project work. You can do it. Visit a place that has historical or natural significance. Write a description of the place based on your observation and experience and present it to your class. So you can do it after your educational excursion. Go for a very beautiful place and write your experience the way we did in today's class. I hope you had a fun and learn the way to write your visiting experience. That's all for today. Thank you. Namaste.